Hey everybody, so today I got this new selfie stick tripod deal. I purchased this one myself. Alright, so this does come with a little mini cord to charge it because it does have a little remote on it. Here we go. Here's our little remote, so you can actually control it by this. And then you got the option to either use this as a little mini tripod, and you can also raise this up too. So that's kind of cool. There you go. Now you got your little tripod, you got a little like ball head mount here at the top, and then you got your little mount here that you could do for your phone. So you got the option of either having the mount, or you can use this as a selfie stick. And you can bring it up even further. This is pretty durable. I like this. And of course you also can have it as a little bit taller of a tripod as well. It's not going to be super tall, but if you need it in a pinch, it will work for that. All right, so there we go. This is the most durable selfie stick I have had. And you got your little remote control for it, which is pretty cool. You'll have to connect it. But yeah, I would say that this would work pretty well for either a tiny little tripod or a little selfie stick for your phone. Or you could also use this for like little action cameras, GoPros and things like that.